In this video, you'll learn how to add hyperlinks to PDF using PDFelement. Let's get started. First, open a PDF document. Navigate to the Edit menu, then hit the Link button. I want to add the link to these words, so I draw a rectangle over it. Customize the link appearance like link type, color, highlight style, line style, and link thickness. Now I want to add a page link, so I type in the link here. Hit Set Link, and you're done. The link has been inserted. You can also add a link that jumps to a specific page in the same way. Let's quickly go through the process. Here we pick Go to a Page View and hit Set Link. Now we need to set up anchor location and page view. You can use the scroll bar or hand tool to head to the target page, or just quickly choose a target page in the Page tab. Use the Zoom tool to customize the preferred view. Now we hit Confirm. Click the link we just added right now. You will see it jump to target page in the view we set. In the same way, you can add a link for opening a file. With a pop-up window, we pick Open a File, and then choose the file we need. Hit Set Link. There you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. See you next time!